Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add product categories on Shopify. Let's start. First of all, open your browser. Now open your store on the Shopify website. Make sure you're on the admin.shopify.com website. Now click on the Products option. After that, click on Add Product option. Give it a title that you want. You can add a file and put in the price. Organize the payment into its categories. Now click on Save. Click on your product. Go into the Product Organization section. Here you can change, add, or remove your product categories. Click on Save to save the changes. Now you can see that it shows that the product is from the clothing category. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.